This is data visualization by voice, syntax, parsing, and recognition techniques. This research identifies techniques that enable a computer system to perform automated data visualization by actively listening to a user's natural spoken language in an interactive and real-time session. This work coins the name ggSpeak as the grammar of graphics for speech and presents software that incorporates speech recognition and a domain-specific entity extraction algorithm that respects and resolves errors of mistranscription. Graphing is powerful. The two books here make up almost 1,000 pages describing how to do it. It's very complex. And the syntax can be very dense. The goal of this research is to simplify the interface and graph by voice. I'm going to load up a demo here. First thing it's going to do, it's going to listen a bit, so let's pause. Now I'm going to type in the name of a regular CSV file, and I see the first couple rows, so let's give it a shot. Plot age versus cholesterol. Let's try to group it by something. Group by glucose. New graph. Summarize. I just said summarize, and that gives me, again, a summary of the data and what data columns and geometry the graph has. So let's try again. Group, plot age. Get a histogram of age. Notice I did not ask for a histogram of age, I just said age. Group by gender. Now I have a grouped histogram. Clear. Say goodbye. So you've seen a couple examples of plotting by voice. Now there are different things that this program can do, and one of the major improvements on anything that is out there now is the ability to infer the graph that is needed without saying specifically what it is. We've also worked to allow the computer to resolve errors of mistranscription. So when I say depth, if I transcribe to det, it should be able to find a way. Currently, the methods that we have used are phonetic encodings and string comparisons on those phonetic encodings. Future research would involve allowing more features to allow people to filter columns by value, customize graph axes, labels, and titles. We'd also like to allow pivot tables or other sorts of frequency tables. The platform could be available on browser and on mobile, and the technology is currently using a speech recognition API, and this is something that can always be improved with the latest industry or enterprise level automatic speech recognition tool that exists. And lastly, the understanding of the intent of the user based on the context of the graph can be trained on a larger scale. Thank you.